Okay guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to add a timer and a proctor to your online test in Google Form. So after you've opened up your Google Form, you're going to click on the three dot option over here at the top right corner, then click on Get Add-ons. Then in the search bar, you want to search for Timer plus Proctor by Google. Then you want to install this specific add-on, so just click on Install. Then you want to go ahead and choose your account. And after that, just click on Next, then Done, then close the window. Now you're going to click on the puzzle piece icon over here at the top. Then you're going to click on the add-on that we installed. Click on Configure, then this tiny window will pop up. Then just click on Enable Google. Now you're going to click on Go to your dashboard. And then you're going to click on Change Settings over here. Then this is where you can change the settings of the test. You can choose to change the duration of the timer. And in order to enable the proctoring, you're going to click on Enable Camera Tracking over here, as well as Enable Screen Recording. Then just click on Save Settings. And then you want to go ahead and copy the link, and that is the link that you want to distribute. So that's it. Thanks for watching.